Today we're gonna be picking some carrots. It's about that time. These are little baby guys. No, that's not a good one. How about over here? Let's get a big clump. Alright, there we go. Alright. Nice. Nice little snack. I got all those so far, and then I got all of these so far, and this is about halfway through the second row, more or less. Alright. What's up? Add these to my little salad tonight. You know it. Hopefully they're tasty. Yeah, so these guys, let's see here, they took about a month and a half or so to get to this point. I screwed up starting them. I overwatered them, and that did a little bit of damage, so it's a bad one. That's one thing I really learned with soil out here in Washington. You can't overwater stuff, because the soil here, where I am at least, you know, when you overwater it, it becomes pretty tough to work actually, and it holds water for a long time. So you can't overwater, but what you do want to do is water deeply on a regular schedule, and don't let the water sit. So you water every few days, every 3 to 5 days I'd water, and that keeps everything happy because it allows the plants to soak up the water, take what they need, and it doesn't drown them. Whereas if you water it every day, sometimes you can water too much, and then you end up drowning your plants, and then you're really dead in the water. But yeah, so we're just about done with this row here. There's the last pull. Nice little carrots. So there we go. We got all those guys, and we got all these guys. So we're gonna wash them up and have a nice little salad tonight. Yeah, right in this area I'm gonna plant lettuce. I'm gonna do some romaine lettuce. Now's a good time to start it. That way when the cool weather comes around in a few weeks, they'll be rocking and rolling. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Looks yummy. Peace. Man, that's really good. That's a carrot. You don't even have to dip it. Just eat it. Man, they are good.